In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HSBC UK mobile branches and ATMs near you step by step. If you've ever found yourself needing to locate the nearest HSBC facilities in your area, whether it's a mobile branch or an ATM, this guide is for you. We'll be covering the process in a clear and concise manner so you won't have to worry about a thing. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and simply head over to the HSBC UK website. Type in https://www.hsbc.co.uk/ in your web address bar and hit enter. This step is crucial as it helps ensure you are on the official HSBC website, which is the most reliable source for up-to-date branch and ATM information. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time visiting. Next, you'll need to scroll down the home page until you come across a section labeled Tools and Guides. It's designed to assist you with various banking needs, including locating branches and cash access points. Under this section, you'll find a link that says Find a branch or access to cash. This is your gateway to the information you seek, so go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to a new page with a search feature that allows you to find the nearest HSBC locations. In the search bar, you can enter a postcode or a town name. This is particularly useful if you have a specific area in mind or if you are planning to visit a different part of the UK and want to plan ahead. But if you're not sure about the exact details or simply want to know what's nearby, you can opt for the option that uses your current location. For those of you needing a more tailored search, there's also an advanced More Search Options feature. This allows you to filter results based on certain criteria. You might use this if you're looking for a specific type of service like a branch open on weekends or one with enhanced accessibility options. Take your time to adjust these settings to suit your needs. Once you've inputted your desired search details, either via your postcode, town, or current location, hit enter and let the system do the work. You'll be presented with a list of results showing the nearest HSBC branches and ATMs, complete with addresses and additional information on each location. And there you have it. Finding HSBC UK mobile branches and ATMs near you is that straightforward with these simple steps. We hope this guide has made the process easier for you. And if you have any further questions, feel free to revisit this video. Thank you for watching, and before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.